Hello, my name is Adaventure of the Woman Workshop. Welcome again to What Does This Mean? A lot of times now we hear about lactose intolerance. You want to give your friend something to eat and she goes, "Oh, I'm lactose intolerant." And you're like, "What the hell?" Okay, it's getting more, come on, it's everywhere now. Lactose intolerance. And you're like, what does this mean? The good news is that I'm here to give you the deets on it. All right? Lactose intolerance is the inability to break down a natural kind of sugar called lactose. Lactose is usually found in dairy products like milk and yogurt, all right? Normally, when a person eats food containing glucose, the enzymes in the small intestines called lactase helps to break this down into glucose and galactose. These simple sugars are then easily absorbed into the bloodstream and give us the fuel for our work. People with lactose intolerance do not produce enough lactase to break down the lactose in their body. Now, how do you know you are lactose intolerant? Abdominal pain or cramping, flatulence or gas. Now, you feel nauseous and sometimes it is accompanied by vomiting, diarrhea and rumbling in your stomach. And that is when you know you are lactose intolerant. But anyways, consult your doctor. I hope this helped. Do you want to tell us something in the comment section? Please share with us. Thank you very much.